option for many celebs, giving them extra volume and height to match the grandiosity of the red carpet. Often covered in crystals, beads, embroidery or metallic accents, embellished platform heels ramp up the glamour of any outfit. Platform styles with unique color combinations, funky cutouts, or distinct silhouettes help celebs put their personal stamps on their looks while celebrating shoe design. Statement necklaces and multi-strand chokers offer an effortless way to add visual interest to high necklines, collars, and shoulder lines. Long, layered necklaces in eye-catching colors, patterns, and materials like chunky gold chains, gemstone strands, and beaded multi-strand pieces draw attention upward, framing faces beautifully. Red carpet hair and makeup also act as jewelry-like accessories that embellish celebs' faces and frames. Bold lip colors, dramatic smoky eyes, metallic shadows, intricate updos, and face-framing tendrils help celebs inhabit their most glamorous personas on the red carpet. Used with strategic restraint and showcasing their wearer's natural beauty, these beauty accessories complement couture gowns and tailored suits perfectly. Together, well-chosen accessories provide the final flourishes that transform celebrity red carpet looks from simply well-dressed to winning, effortlessly glamorous, and definitive of a particular time and moment in fashion history. Accessories are an essential part of any outfit, and this is especially true when it comes to dressing for the red carpet. The right accessories can elevate a simple outfit and turn it into a show-stopping look that is sure to turn heads. Here are some of the accessories that can help to add the perfect finishing touch to any red carpet outfit. First up, jewelry is a must-have accessory for any red carpet look. A statement necklace or a pair of chandelier earrings can add glamour and sophistication to a simple gown or dress. Diamonds, pearls, and other precious stones are popular choices for red carpet jewelry, as they add a touch of luxury and elegance to any outfit. Another accessory that can help to elevate a red carpet look is a statement clutch. A small, embellished clutch can add a pop of color or texture to an outfit, and it is the perfect place to store essentials like lipstick and a cell phone. A clutch can also be a great way to show off a designer logo or pattern, making it a must-have accessory for any fashion-conscious celebrity. Shoes are also an important accessory for a red carpet look. High heels are a popular choice, as they help to elongate the legs and add height to the wearer. Strappy sandals and pumps are both popular choices, and they can be embellished with rhinestones, jewels, and other decorative elements to add a touch of glamour to any outfit. Hair accessories are another way to add a touch of elegance to a red carpet look. A simple hair clip or barrette can help to keep hair in place and add a touch of sparkle to an outfit. Headbands and tiaras are also popular choices, especially for more formal occasions like the Academy Awards or the Met Gala. Finally, a statement belt can be a great way to add a touch of personality and style to a red carpet outfit. A wide belt can help to cinch in the waist and create an hourglass silhouette, while a skinny belt can be used to add a pop of color or texture to an outfit. Belts can also be embellished with jewels, studs, and other decorative elements to add a touch of glamour to any look. In conclusion, accessories are an essential part of any red carpet outfit. Jewelry, clutches, shoes, hair accessories, and belts can all help to add the perfect finishing touch to any outfit, and they can help to elevate a simple look into a show-stopping ensemble.